When you become a client of Model Electronics, you become family. We know your vehicle, we understand it, we know what has to be done, we know what you like. We want to make it perfect for you so you don't have to go anywhere else. My name is Dave and I'm the Retail Division Manager for Model Electronics. It's that mom and pop store feeling. You go to somewhere else, a big box store, they're really just about repetition, just selling it to you and moving along. You don't even really get somebody that comes out to your car with you and shows you how it works. So here, you're gonna get the full experience. So when a customer comes in, we're not just gonna go right to the most expensive product. You have to really be able to understand what they're looking for. And from there, we can build a system for it. We have something for everybody. It's always something we can do. Model Electronics is a one-stop shop. We offer a lot of different services from diagnostics, audio, video, lighting, remote start, navigation, wheels, tires. Anything you could think of to put on your vehicle aftermarket, we'll do it. I think the benefit of having everything done in one spot is that that business knows your vehicle. They know all the ins and outs. They know where all the wires are run. They know where all the circuits are. When you're constantly going to different places and trying different shops out, you could run into issues. So that's why we try to make it a one-stop shop so you don't have to go anywhere else. So from start to finish, everything is done with communication. And then while the vehicle's in the shop, if something has to be changed or giving updates, we'll text you, we'll call you, we'll email you. We'll do whatever we have to communicate with you. So Model Electronics offers a lifetime warranty on all of their installations. If anything goes wrong with something that we did, we will honor that lifetime warranty. We like to challenge ourselves, we really do. We get involved with some serious tasks. Somebody comes in and says, I have a crazy idea. All right, let's try it. So we take on the challenges. If you want to take your vehicle to the next level, schedule a free assessment with one of our sales specialists, and we'll be in touch with you soon.